Okay, so part 2 of trying out the Lash Linx. So I did this already part 1. What we did was a 12 millimeter, 3 14 millimeters, and then another 12 millimeter of this style right here, which is N3, the C curl. And, you know, my first time, so is application perfect? No, but I think it looks pretty nice. So, and I figure this is gonna be someone's first time too. So, you know, we are struggling together. No, but all jokes aside, really not hard to put on. I love the look and so comfortable. So comfortable, and I love the wispiness. So let's go ahead and get this eye on as well. Okay, so like I mentioned in part 1, I am using my Lashify bond just because I also have Lashify lashes. So I figured why buy the glue when I have this one, and this one is actually awesome. I'm sure from Lash Linx 2 it is good. Probably once I'm out of this one, I will give that one a try as well. Okay, so now that we have that first coat of the bond, I'm going with this Whisper Light, and I'm just starting here at the outer edge. Okay, so here's my first one. And just like that, she is on. All right, so next we have our 14 millimeter. Lay that down right there. Here we are with another 14, and I will say this quality of lash is so nice. And each of these strips was $12, like $12. And if you take care of these correctly, you will be able to reuse them as well. Here we are with our last 14. And let's hurry up and get that 12 on there as well. Okay, so now I am just clamping everything together. And I feel like this side may look a little bit more fluffier because I kind of got glue on a bunch of these lashes, but it's okay. And now lastly, I'm hitting it with the sealer. And look at this. I love it.